So guys, welcome back to Taco Kids, and today I'm going to be solving a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. I'm going to try to do under 45 seconds, and I'm just scrambling it. So I'm going to try to get under 45 seconds. I could normally do under 30, but since it's like there's a giant camera in the way, it's going to be a little harder for me to solve. So we're going to start. I just have to inspect the cube to know where everything goes. Okay, so we're gonna get started, and we are off. I hope this is in the camera space, but "26 seconds. I did not expect to get that. I was trying to go under 30. Under 45. So guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, I'd appreciate it if you did hit that subscribe button. I appreciate everything. And yeah, see you in the next video.